Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for checking in with us here at Quick Shifts. Today's project, we're going to be working on the GTO, and we're going to go ahead and change out our valve springs, spark plugs, and we got a wire set here. So that's our mission today, and try and get that all done. It shouldn't take too long, famous last words, but first off, we need to go ahead and take the valve covers off. So we'll have to move that stuff off of there, take this stuff off, move the nitrous to the side, and go ahead and get started on that. So first thing we want to do is disconnect the battery. And we'll start moving this stuff around up here. Take the spark plugs off. There goes one side. Now we repeat on the other side. Pull these plug cables off. Out comes this bank. Grab an 8mm and loosen up the valve covers. There we go, one side off. Do the same on this side. And out with the other side. So now start pulling out the spark plugs. All right, so we've got 4 on this side, or 3 on this side completed of valve springs. We're gonna go ahead and get this last set back here, and we're gonna walk you guys through how we do this. So to start off, we are using compressed air to hold the valves up. So we've got this great little piece here that we've rigged up that we're gonna put into the spark plug and then hook it to the air compressor. We're using about 90 PSI to hold the valves up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Thread that in. In case you guys don't remember, this is Austin. He's helping me out yet again with another project here. Thank you for your help, Austin, as usual.
Not a problem.
So we'll feed this in. We already completed this side, so this is what the finished product is going to look like with everything all buttoned up. We've got the new spark plugs in here, the NGK TR66, which is what I previously had in here. They did a good job. What's new is we're running a new plug wire this time. You guys saw that earlier. We're running the Taylor Thunderbolt 8.2 plug wires this time, and of course our NGK spark plugs. So hoping to have a little bit better spark and maybe get a little cleaner power out of it. To be honest with you, I've seen the claims, I've seen the dynos. I don't know that I really have much faith that you gain anything from those, but it's worth a shot. Why not? I've had to change them out of age and maintenance anyway. These are 15-year-old plug wires in here, so Went ahead and upgraded them. So he's got the plug gap in there. He's going to go ahead and put the hose on there. And use our tool here and go ahead and take the brackets off the top. The retainer's out. So you should be plugging the oil galleys to make sure that these retainer plugs don't fall down into there. But we've done this. This is the last set, and we're pretty confident that we won't have that problem. And now that I said that, we will.
Guaranteed. Got both of them on that shot.
So then he backs the tool off. And then you just reverse the operation to put these back in. While he's doing that, I'm going to show you guys this. Now when we changed out all the others, we did come across two of them that had been broken. So the inner spring sheared itself off. So just another reason why it's good practice to change these out after X amount of time. The whole point of the dual spring is to have a backup. As you can see, this one's busted as well.
It's trickier the more oil you have on your fingers, of course.
And now we're seating the retainer clips back in. Now we got the retainers in, we back the tool off, and we'll give them a quick little tap and make sure that they seat properly on the retainer. Hold the springs down. Now that we have those out, we can pull the adapter out, and we can go ahead and put the valve covers back on, put the spark plugs in, and fire her up. Alright, so now we're putting the roller rockers back on, and we're going to go ahead and tighten those down to 22 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're torquing down the spark plugs to 11.5 foot-pounds. Repeat again and again and again and again until you have all 8 in. Now we're installing, what's this called?
Coil pack.
Coil pack bracket. The thingamabobby with the thingy things on it.
The thing that makes the spark go boom.
Here we go, let's give her a start up.
Yep.
That's just oil running off from when we were working on it, but everything sounds good. like she's got power, not making any noises. I think it was a successful job. Hey guys, thanks for following the channel and watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. We got some new videos coming out, and for the latest greatest updates, follow us over on Instagram at QuickShifts. Thanks for tuning in.